Welcome back everyone to another video of unboxing Terrestrial Festival and Prismatic Evolution. Yes. Which one do you want to start? First of all,
the stickers.
the stickers. Okay. So we have here all the sticker collections. Tech sticker with all the promos. We have the poster collection, and we have 2 boxes of Terrestrial Festival to open with you guys today. So I hope you enjoy. Subscribe, and yeah, let's get into it, right? Yeah.
Sure, man.
Which one you want to do first?
Lithium.
Leafeon? And I'm showing Glacian. You're opening it, or? Yeah, you can do, bro. You do it. Let's go. Yeah, they're hard to open, I heard. They're really like awkward to open. Yeah. You know. Let's hope we pull something good. If you've seen the last video, we pulled a gold Pikachu and we pulled a Master Ball Vaporeon. So yeah, let's hope we pull something great again. Maybe we pull a God Pack. Let's hope. I've seen a lot of, we're from Belgium, so I have seen a lot of them today opening up the Prismatic Evolutions because it's out today. And some of them had pulled a God Pack. So let's hope we pull a God Pack too. We have the stickers. These some nice stickers. Yeah, all right. Yes. And we have the promo from Leafeon Black Star promo. Let's put it in a sleeve. I'm taking a sleeve. Who's gonna start? Are you gonna start? Me gonna start?
Me.
Yeah, yesterday it was me that started everything, so let's maybe start you.
OG3.
The OG3. Okay, let's start with the OG3 and then what we have. Then we have, okay, nice.
What?
It's Leaf.
Hippopotas.
Hippopotas.
Eevee. Ritzy. Yukodar. Janine's Secret Art. Bug Catching Set. Pyroar. Cypher Maniac's Code Breaking. Okidoki.
The reverse Okidoki and
Leafeon.
a Leafeon. Not bad. It's a Leafeon. I don't think we have it yet, this one. We put a Leafeon in the Leafeon tech sticker pack. So here's the God damn it. He doesn't want to go down. So we have the Leafeon, we pull the Leafeon hollow. Okay, now it's my turn. I'm gonna pick the OG3 also. Let's do this.
Will it pay off?
Will it pay off? Will it pay off? Let's go. I hope we pull something good. I hope you enjoy this video, guys. We're enjoying it, so I hope you enjoy it too. So one to the front, and I will say steel. Ooh, we have a hollow psychic energy. Then we have a Dreepy, a Miltank, Professor's Research, Aromatisse, Kiran, Screamtail, Janine's Secret Art. We have a Pokeball, Amaris, and we have the reverse and a Glaceon. Okay, we pulled a Glaceon. Let's put it in a sleeve. Yeah. So your turn again. Let's hope we pull something good. Let's do this.
Fire.
Fire. No, it's not fire.
Okay. Eevee.
Again, Eevee.
Execute. Larry Skill. Dunsparce. Executor. Lacy. Screamed.
Oh, the
Eevee.
reverse Eevee, nice.
And oh,
Give me the reverse Eevee.
Oh,
Let's put it away in the sleeve.
my bad.
Yes, yes, yes.
My bad.
Let's put it away, the reverse Eevee.
Nothing.
Which one we're gonna do next?
Glaceon.
Another text sticker. The
Yeah.
Glaceon one. So we have the Glaceon text sticker with the Glaceon Black Star promo. Now I'm gonna open it.
Go
And
ahead.
it's really bad to open, man. Look at this. Look at this. How I'm opening it, it's crazy. They're not the best ones to open, but okay. I got it. I got it. It's working. No worries. No worry. I got it. So we have 3 packs. Oh, they're like this.
Yep. With the
Okay.
plastic.
So, choop. We have the 3 packs. The text sticker with the Flareon, Glaceon, and Espeon on it. We have the code card with the Black Star promo Glaceon. Yes, let's put this away also like that. This is a nice card. We're gonna sleeve it up. So it's my turn, I guess. Yeah, you did the last one.
Yes.
Okay. Let's hope we pull something good out of these text stickers. Here we have the 3 packs. So we have the 3 packs. The Eevee Sylveon, the Umbreon Espeon, and the Glaceon Leafeon. And I'm gonna pick the Umbreon Espeon. It's my turn, so I can pick.
Nope.
You know? We got it open. Okay. Let's hope we pull something nice out of it. I would say Fire Energy. Oh, it's a Water Energy. No worries. It's the opposite, but we have a Rotom, a Slowpoke, a Hippopotas, a Bidoof, Professor Seda's Vitality, yeah. Vitality, Bronzong, Earthen Vessel, the Frenzy Paldea Reverse, the Applin Reverse, and Monkey Dory. No good. This pack was no good. No good. Eevee and Sylveon. I'm gonna put these there.
Oh. Metal.
Metal.
Steel.
Steel. Yeah. Metal.
Leaf.
Metal.
Leaf.
Metal.
Bronzor. Professor's Research. Bidoof.
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 Veneer.
Bidoof.
Seeking.
Bidoof.
Regigigas.
Regigigas.
Cypher Maniacs. Code Breaking.
Halucha Reverse. Crispin Reverse. And well, Monkey Dory again.
Ooh.
Those text sticker packs are not that great. But okay. So we have the last pack of the second text sticker pack or blister. It's the Glaceon and Leafeon. Let's go. Let's do this. God damn.
Come on.
Yeah, it's harder than it looks, man. Oh, it's better. The other side is also good. From the butt, yeah. As you can say, as you say it. Whoppa. We have the code card. One from the back, and let's say Fire. Oh, it's a Lightning Energy, and again, it's a hollow Lightning Energy. We have a Dunsparce, again, Houndour, Applin, Goldeen, Area Zero Underdepths, Pyroar, Buddy Puffin, a Pokeball Festival Grounds, a Lopunny, and A Jolteon, not bad. I like the Jolteon. I'm not mad about that. It's an evolution, so I'm not mad about that. A Jolteon hollow. I'm gonna let you do the honors because I did the last one.
Correct.
Open it up, my man.
Oh, okay.
Again, it's really dumb how it's really hard to open.
Oh.
Oh my god.
There we go.
Oh my god. Oh, he got it. He's got it. He's got it. No worries. He's got it. He's got it.
All in the day's work.
All in a day's work. Not for him. I'm gonna take a sleep for the
Sylveon.
the stickers.
Vaporeon, Jolteon, and Sylveon.
And Sylveon.
Sylveon.
And we have the Sylveon. Yes, Sylveon Black Star promo. I'm really liking these borders, you know, because they're also shiny. Reflective and shiny. So we have these.
Oh, the OG3, Leafeon and Glaceon, and Umbreon and Espeon.
Okay, which one is
Umbreon and Espeon last time? It's my turn.
Yeah, I had the last pack, so you can choose now.
It's my turn.
Yeah, you can do.
My Espeon and Umbreon.
What you thinking?
Dark.
It's the water energy.
Badoo.
Badoo. Badoo. Badoo. Badoo. Badoo. Badoo. Badoo. Badoo.
Eevee.
Badoo. Badoo.
Execute. Explorer's Guidance.
Regigigas.
Carmine. Dreepy. Bronzong.
And we pulled the Lugia EX. Not bad. Not bad. We had a pull. Finally, we have a pull, ladies and gentlemen. How you think about this one?
Is a win.
It's a nice looking card. You can see his whole body through it. It's really nice. I'm really liking this card. It's not one. It's one of the better regular EXs that's in the set. Sure. So Lugia EX, ladies and gentlemen, we pull the Lugia EX. Now, next pack. Let's take the OGs. I'm taking the OGs. I'm an OG, so I'm taking the OGs.
No, you're old.
I'm old, he says. I'm not that old. So, what about? We have the code card. One from the back. Let's say Fire Energy. It's Dark type.
Umbreon.
We have a Sneasel. An Execute. Larry's Skill. Dunsparce. Professor Churros Scenario. Slowking. Janine's Secret Art. We have an Applin Pokeball. A Execute Reverse and Phazantipede. Not that good. We're off to a bad start. Yesterday was better. But okay, it can change. It can change, ladies and gentlemen. Certainly can change. So let's hope we pull something better than this.
Oh. Fire. Oh.
We have a holo.
Black Belt's Training. Houndoom. Fastest Research. Applin. Executor. Explorer's Guidance. Pyroar.
Sylveon Pokeball. Okay, nice. Dusclops.
And
ooh, nice. We have a full art trainer. Nice. That's a nice one. That's a nice pull. So we have the Sylveon and the full art trainer. Yes. The Pokeball Sylveon. Okay, not bad. We're getting better at this. It will only go up because now we're thinking of what we're gonna open. Do we do this or do we first do a terrestrial and then?
Terrestrial, then.
Yeah, I think so too. So it can only go up from here. We have a guaranteed hit in a terrestrial festival. So let's get into it. You had the last pack, so I'm opening it. Terrestrial festival. We still needs 5 of the evolutions. So let's hope we pull the Umbreon, the Glacian, the Vaporeon. We have
Flareon.
Flareon, and then other Eevee, also the Glacian. So let's hope we pull that one. It's not working. It's not working. Oh yeah, let's put this like that, and this like that. So let's see what we can do with.
Come on now.
It's not working.
It's your fault. It's just you.
Now there it is.
Just you.
There it is. There it is. Let's do it like this. So it's my turn, I guess.
Yes.
We're opening this one with scissors because it's more handy to open. Like that. Just cut it a little bit too high.
Never be too safe.
Never be too safe, indeed. So I think this was 4.
1.
No, 4 or 5.
4.
I guess 4, but I think 5. Let's see what we do. So we have the Crocodile. I don't know what this is because I can't read Japanese. I don't know who she is also. I have no clue. Grookey. Abra. Kadabra. I know. We have a Holo. And okay. Then it was right. And we have a Jolteon. Nice. Jolteon EX. Not the SAR, but SAR still has to come.
Jolteon.
Okay, nice. We have a Jolteon.
Okay.
Yeah, you picked the wrong scissors, you know? It's a bad one. It's a bad scissor.
You didn't say it. Not my fault. Oh, 4.
Yeah, 4. Try not to hit the camera too much because the viewers will be like this.
Screamtail. Thwacky,
yeah.
You're not gonna try. Seeking. Phoebus. Onedge. Natu.
Natu, how do you do?
Sinistra. And
then
Hydrapple.
Yeah, Hydrapple.
I don't know.
Thank you. A Hydrapple. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the holos. Let's put this one here. Next up, who's gonna hit the SAR and which one will it be? We can also hit other SARs like the Ogerpons or or maybe the Rapagos, or even I don't know how he's called. I can't remember his name. Roaring Sky and then Roaring Moon.
Possibly Roaring Moon.
I don't know how he's. The new ones I keep forgetting. So we have a Kadabra. I don't know what this one is. I don't know either. It's an energy. It's an Eevee. Totodile.
Come on.
I don't know how this one is called.
Chiu.
We have
Iron Boulder,
and a Terrapagos. Oh, still one behind. Oh, I did the card trick wrong.
Idiot.
I did 4. So we hit the Terrapagos.
Oh no, that's nice.
Okay, not bad. Next up. Oh,
Bam.
but you need to clean up every time.
I tried.
Yeah, no, you don't.
I forget.
No, you're
I
forgetting.
forget.
Because otherwise it will be full of everything here.
Four.
We have to put the bulk away.
Quattro.
I guess it's 4. Sometimes 5. Sometimes 4.
Fan rotom. Energies. Kirin. Energy.
Duraludon. Yeah. This one I remember.
Ramblin. Crocodile.
No, Totodile. Feraligatr. We're both wrong.
Roaring Moon.
This one I mean. It's this one I mean.
Pokeball.
And Roaring Moon.
2 Roaring Moons.
2 Roaring Moons. Roaring Moon.
Moonbrain.
We still haven't pulled the SAR, so let's hope we pull the SAR. Yeah,
Nice.
maybe do this a little bit. You can throw it in the ground also. Yeah, you can throw it in the ground also. It's no biggie. Oh, I hate the scissor.
My bad.
It's a really bad one, but okay, it does the job. It gets the job done. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah,
4.
Quattro.
We have a Dracloak, yeah. I keep forgetting. A Sylveon?
Innocent.
I don't know. Duskull? Fluttermane? Reverse? Right. A Holo Ursaluna? And a Eevee.
Oh.
Leafeon EX. And damn, see? Sometimes it's 5.
I don't know, man.
It's weird. Sometimes it's 5, sometimes it's 4. But okay.
Bipolar set.
We have the Leafeon EX. Okay. Come on, we still haven't hit the SAR or the Hyper Rare or maybe a Demigod pack or a God pack.
Anything.
Anything is possible with this set because you are guaranteed a hit. So who's gonna hit it? Is it him or is it me?
Dusclops?
I pray it's me.
Something?
I pray it's me. Leafeon? Give me Leafeon.
Oh.
Yeah, give me Leafeon.
Beldum.
I'm a big Evolutions fan, so
Applin?
I'm keeping this.
Revavroom?
Frostlass. And a Leafeon! A Glaceon Master Ball! Oh, nice! We pulled a Glaceon Master Ball! These are not guaranteed in... Yeah, these are not guaranteed in any of the Japanese booster boxes, but this one is nice. This is nice pull. So we still have to pull the SAR. So we have a Master Ball, and we still have to pull an SAR.
SAR Glaceon Master Ball.
Let's hope. We still need the Glaceon. So let's hope.
EX.
Yeah, the EX. Wake. The EX Walking Wake, ladies and gentlemen.
Walking Wake?
Yes. Let's see. We still have 4 packs in total left. I'm picking this one. So let's see. It's in the 4th last pack. See, it's a bad scissor. It's a bad scissor.
Stop wanking.
One, 2, 3, 4. I don't know how it's called, but you know it.
Palafin.
This is Festival Grounds. This one I know.
Oh, professional.
Don't know what with this one. Which one this one is? Something. Milotic. No, it's Rulich is the evolution.
Yeah.
Charcadet. Trubbish. Monkidori.
Monkey
I
Dog.
hate seeing this one
Oh,
because
stupid,
we
man. Stupid Pokemon.
we have seen him a lot in the other packs. We have a I don't know. We have the EX, Garchomp, and a Hoothoot. So we still need to pull the SAR.
It's gonna be this one.
3 packs left, ladies and gentlemen. So who's gonna pull the SAR? Is it gonna be him or it's gonna be me? Who are you thinking it's gonna be? Hit in the comments below. Is it gonna be me or him?
On this one. Oh, yeah, maybe you are right.
Maybe I'm right, right? I'm right.
Small chat. 4. Quattro.
Quattro to the back. From the back to the front. Quattro.
Goodbye.
Watch it when I'm biting.
Carmine? No. Relor. Wiglet. Alakazam.
A holo Alakazam.
Bravogast.
A Pokeball. Friends and Paldea. Yeah.
Oh!
Ursaluna.
Close.
Ursaluna, ladies and gentlemen. EX. Still not pulled. Yeah, still not pulled. The SAR. There are 2 packs left. So 2 packs left. It's going to be me or him. Who's going to be it? In the comments down below. Let us know which one it is.
Oh, I hope it's not you.
Imagine it's going to be Last Pack Magic.
Yeah, that's for me.
Yeah.
Yay. Do that, please. Imagine.
So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. I think it's gonna be me.
No.
This is Metang, Glaceon. Don't know. Gimmighoul.
Correct.
Dunsparce. Reverum.
No, Varoom. Wow.
Groudon Holo. Winscott Holo and we pulled the Vaporeon SAR.
No.
That's the 3rd time we pulled it.
No.
We have them 3 times.
I don't have it. Oh.
You don't have the SAR, but you still can have a Demigod pack or a God pack. Or you can still have a Demigod pack. Okay, this one is a little off center, as you can see. So, not sure I'm going to grade this one. But we have 3 of them. And maybe I can trade one for one we don't have.
Maybe.
Okay, Last Pack Magic. Maybe it's a Demigod pack. Maybe it isn't. We will see. Time will tell now.
It's a full God pack.
Or full God pack. Still possible. Because a God pack, you still pull the SAR that's meant to be in it. So, yeah. Quattro. Let's hope he pulls something nice.
Wacky. Keyboard. Espion.
Give me the Espion. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
No problem.
Drippy.
You've been forgiven.
Simisty. Root Bonnet.
Oh, you know the name of that one. Oh, we pulled an ace pack and Gouching Fire. Nice one. So we pulled a Evolution, ladies and gentlemen. The Vaporeon, but not the one we want because we already have him 2 times. Next up, the poster collection, I guess.
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep.
You're opening this one because I opened this one? Or you want to open this one?
I want to.
Yeah. Okay.
I want to open the last.
Okay, no problem, man.
They're really cool.
We're opening up the poster collection, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hope we pull something good in the poster collection. We already have the 3 Black Star promos. I'm loving those. So we have all the Black Star promos from the sets that are now available. So we throw this one away.
Bam.
We have a nice poster inside. This one is really nice. We don't have a lot of room here, ladies and gentlemen, to show you, but this is a really nice poster. All the evolutions that you can pull are on the back.
card.
But yeah, maybe we'll do it like this.
Oh, and the back of the card.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. That's what I'm telling. You see, I guess it's like this. Yeah, something like this. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we have here all the ones we can pull. And at the other side,
It's too big.
yeah, it's too big, but I'm gonna do it like this.
Oh.
You can see it's a nice poster. Let's put it away before I rip it or something like that.
That is weird.
Rip it, rip it, rip it.
Rip it?
I'm like a frog.
No.
Actually, yeah, we are ducks, but I sounded like a frog.
Rabbit.
So we're opening this one now. 3 packs in this poster collection also. We have, of course, the 3 promos. And the code card. Yeah, show everyone.
Jolteon.
The Jolteon. We have the Flareon.
And
Vaporeon. Yes, let's put them in sleeves. So they are very safe away. Vaporeon. Not Vaporeon. Vaporeon.
Vaporeon.
Vaporeon.
I am correct.
So it's my turn, I guess. You had the last pack? Yeah, you had the last pack. I had the SAR.
No.
I'm leaving that one for you. You want the
the Umbreon.
You want the Umbreon. Okay, I'm leaving that one for you. No worries. No worries, my man. No worries, my little man.
Umbreon.
So we have 3 packs here inside. 3 packs. 3 packs, ladies and gentlemen. Prismatic Evolution again. Not the terrestrial. So he wants this pack. So I'm letting him have it. I'm not gonna go with the Eevee and the Sylveon.
You're gonna get both of those either way.
Yeah, come on. Let's hope we pull something great out of these tech stickers and poster collection, because we didn't actually pull something very great. It was just a full art we pulled from the tech stickers and a master. No, the Master Ball was in is terrestrial. What's terrestrial? Yeah, it was terrestrial. It was terrestrial.
No.
Yeah, it was terrestrial.
I pulled that.
You pulled that. So we actually have both had a pull in terrestrial festival.
A good one.
Yeah.
A song.
I must tell that all the cards have always something on it. It's really bad. So the quality, yeah, the English set is really bad in comparison to the Japanese set. The Japanese set are
what the frick?
Wow, it's I guess water energy. Oh, it's dark.
Hell no.
Execute. Sneasel, Professor's Research, Dusclops, Regigigas, Lacey, Halucha. We have a Pokeball Dracloak. We have an Execute Reverse and Monkey Dory. God damn. How many times did we pull them already? 3 times? 4 times? One in the terrestrial, and now 3 times, I guess here.
2.
Yeah, too much. Too much. I don't like Monkey Dory right now. He's like the Mr. Mime of the new era.
Never liked Monkey Dory.
I'm not a big fan either.
Neither.
Come on, let's do this. Let's pull something awesome, man.
Dark. Same thing. Black Belt's training. Badoo. Eevee. Professor Turo's Research.
Shaman. If you don't pull something, shame on you, Shaman.
Oh, come on.
Reverse. Sylveon reverse. Yeah, he pulled something. It's a trainer. It's a full art trainer, but it's something. Something is something, you know?
Giacomo.
I'm liking this one also.
Giacomo.
It's a really weird card.
I have no idea who this is.
No, and it's a really weird card. He's like, I don't know, but it's really, yeah.
Evil man.
Let's put it. Yeah, it's like an evil man, right? It's like a Giovanni from Team Rocket, but I don't know. Okay, nice card. Nice card. Last pack magic.
For Prismatic.
Come on, for Prismatic. Come on now. These pulls were really bad. And then what did we do? 12 packs?
Yeah.
Yeah, 12 packs. So,
2 full ones. And
ooh, that's like €100 we just opened, and we pulled 2 full
maybe
trainers.
5.
We pulled full, yeah,
Maybe 5.
No, I mean, it was €25, the collection, sticker collection. So we opened 4 things, like €100.
For the card. Maybe 5.
Yeah.
We pulled maybe 5.
Yeah, we pulled maybe €5, but let's do this.
Full 5.
I forgot to mention the energy. Baniri, Pinsir, Larvitar, Black Belt's Training, Kiran, Screamtail, Janine's Secret Art, Dunsparce Reverse Hollow. Whoa! We pulled Sylveon! I never thought there was something behind it, but we pulled Sylveon EX, ladies and gentlemen! The second best evolutions that you can pull! Nice! Woo!
I like
Love it! That was a great pull, man. That was a great pull. Random applause, man. Random applause. And again, he's way out of center. Damn. But it's a really nice card. A really nice card, ladies and gentlemen. I'm really loving this card. We already have it in Japanese. So I'm a big fan of this card. I'm a big fan of this card.
Big fan of Sylveon.
Nice. Then it was a great one.
Yeah.
€100 of tech stickers, and so yeah, we got our money back. Nice. I'm loving this one. Let's do this. Now, up to Terrestrial Festival again. And let's hope we pull something big. Something real big. An Umbreon big. You know what I mean? An Umbreon, maybe a Master Ball Umbreon big. You know? That would be so awesome. Yeah, that would be awesome. Or a Demigod pack, because here it's Evolutions, and in the English sets, you don't get the Evolutions guaranteed with the Demigod pack. Here you don't have it also guaranteed. Not guaranteed, but it's better.
More odds.
Yeah, more odds.
Cool.
Well, no, don't do it. It's okay.
No.
It's okay.
I don't care, man.
It's okay. Let's go. Who's gonna pull the Secret Art Rare?
My turn.
Who's gonna pull the SAR?
You pulled 2, man. Come on.
I pulled 2. I pulled 2. Yeah.
Give me a chance, you greedy man.
I'm the greedy man. Greedy man.
Greedy man.
Who's gonna pull it? Comment down below and see who's pulling it. Is it gonna be me again?
Iron Bundle.
Him again.
Iron Bundle.
But he pulled the Master Ball. Maybe he's gonna do a Master Ball again. Give me the Leafeon. Give me the Leafeon. Give me the Leafeon. Someone. Phoebus. Applin. Jolteon. Yes. Nice.
Iron Boulder. Okie dokie. Okie dokie.
Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Next up, my turn. Let's pull something great, ladies and gentlemen. Let's pull something great. From the back to the front. We got a Screamtail. Great Tusk, right. I think that's something with hammer. Yeah, it's I don't know. It's something with hammer.
Larry.
Is that Larry?
Larry.
The Duskull. We have a Trubbish. A reverse, I don't know how he's called.
It's a hollow, man. Brute Bonnet.
Oh, it's a hollow.
Brute Bonnet.
Siluna. And we pulled the SAR. Not the SAR we wanted. We wanted the...
Oh, crap.
Ladies and gentlemen, our camera just died on us. So I'm going to pull it to show it here. We pulled an SAR, but not the SAR we wanted. So yeah. But we pulled an SAR. Not bad. Maybe we still have some luck. Let's open the rest. And maybe keep one pack sealed for my collection.
No.
Yeah, maybe one. Yeah, maybe one.
Maybe 0.
Let's do it. And we're gonna show it there. No worries.
For ease.
Our camera just died on us, so I'm gonna show it right here.
Ugh.
I didn't watch how many battery it was still left. I didn't watch it. I should have checked.
Crocodile.
No. Okay, walk.
Oh!
And the last one is, it will be easier if we just Pokeball Applin. And
Oopsie.
this one.
Only happens to me.
Yeah. Well, no worries, no worries, no worries.
My bad.
Like that. But I'm not gonna come to do it differently. Just gonna do this. Should have opened the other one. Maybe there's the Umbreon.
Still right here.
1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. And I'm gonna show you if I pull something. So this is the Metang.
Beldum.
Beldum. Cottony.
Bramogast.
Feraligatr. And a Terrapagos.
Terrapagos.
That one.
Terrapagos.
I pulled all the SARs, bro.
Yeah.
I pulled them all. Maybe you're pulling the Master Ball, so
who knows?
let's go for that Master Ball Umbreon. Yeah.
It's a Doublade. Something. Energy. A Dreepy.
A Goldeen.
A Zero Aura. Hollow. Dusknoir.
Ursaluna EX.
And that's all.
That's all, ladies and gentlemen. Next one up. Let's do this. 4 to the back. 4 to the front from the back.
What are you doing?
Hoot Hoot. Earthen Vessel. I don't know what this one is. How does this one call you?
Sinisty.
Actually, I pulled 2 SARs before in a terrestrial box, but it was a trainer SAR and it was a.
We can still dream.
Can still dream.
Sinister.
It's a Fizzendipede. A Pokeball Remoran. I don't know. Relicanth. And an Ogerpon Mask. Next one up.
Let's go. Okay.
Okay, buddy.
Okay. Didn't have to go there. Come on now. Jirachi?
Sylveon.
Something.
Varoom. Snorunt.
Iron Moth. Morpeko.
Aceback. And an Iron Valiant. Okay. We pulled an Aceback, but they are guaranteed 1 in each pack. So, yeah, in each box, sorry. Not in each pack.
Stupido.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Gigabyte. Yeah. I don't know what this one is. Gold Seeking. I don't know.
Swirlix.
Grookey.
Koraidon.
Koraidon. Relicant, no,
Yeah,
Relicant. Ogerpon mask, and again, there's something behind it. We pulled the Ogerpon mask.
Oh, my final one. No, no. Oh,
Still have a last pack magic. Oh, maybe I'm gonna wait. Open this one because this one is ripped, and maybe we're gonna keep this one sealed for. Did you already cut it?
no.
No. Gonna keep this one sealed for the collection. Don't have any pack in the collection yet, so it's keeping that one sealed. And hoping that that one has the Master Ball.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Perhaps.
Perhaps.
Good chance.
Good chance. If it's not in that one, it's gonna be in that one, but we're keeping this one sealed.
Oh. Springtail. Trumpet. The Ogerpon mask. Espion.
We didn't pull
Venison.
any evolutions. EX even.
Bro.
No evolution
Wochen.
EX. Flareon Hollow. And a Flareon EX.
Oh no.
Yeah, that was it.
Three.
Okay.
No Master Balls.
No Master Balls. No Master Balls. Okay, that was it. We opened all of our packs. No, we did not, but we're keeping the other one sealed because I have a sealed collection, and from every pack or every English set, I keep a full art set of every box I open. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this one sealed.
Japanese, man.
It's a Japanese one, so we're keeping it sealed. We pulled these two. Not bad. So we have a lot of hits, but the biggest hits are, let's check it. These are our biggest hits. The Master Ball. A Pokeball is also a hit for me.
Sylveon Pokeball.
Yeah,
Especially.
it's really a nice Pokeball.
Especially.
Okay. So the hits for today. We hit Mila, a full trainer art. We hit the Pokeball Sylveon. We hit the Master Ball Glaceon. We hit the Vaporeon SAR. A Giacomo. Full art trainer. The Sylveon SAR. This one is really great. And we pulled an Iron Valiant SAR.
Iron Valley, correct the window.
That was it, ladies and gentlemen, for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. More in the future will come. We will post, maybe try to post weekly, and more to the future, let's post daily. I hope you enjoyed it. Click that like button, click the subscribe button, and we see you later.